Easy functionality. Installing canister holder. Obtain appropriate holder for canister size to be used. Slide the canister holder onto the canister holder bracket on the front of the device casing until an audible click is heard. Installing the canister. Ensure suction is turned off. Place the appropriate canister in the holder. Connect the inline bacterial overflow guard to the vacuum opening on the pump. Connect the blue end of the connective tubing to the canister lid port labeled IN or B on the 250 milliliter canister, or patient on the 800 milliliter canister. Removing, changing the canister. Close tubing clamps and turn device off. Disconnect the blue end of the connective tubing from the canister lid, taking care to avoid the chance of fluid escaping. Disconnect the inline bacterial overflow guard from the vacuum opening on the device. Pull canister out of the holder. Discard canister and tubing as one piece. Removed canisters should be discarded according to the local protocols. Starting therapy. Secure the pressure dial to its lowest setting of 40 millimeters mercury. Ensure tubing clamps are open. Push switch to constant position. Turn pressure dial to prescribed pressure. Stopping therapy. Return the switch to the center position. Setting safety lockout. Turn the lockout selector to the right or locked position. This safety feature prevents accidental adjustments in vacuum levels. Suppressing the alarm. Press the alarm suppress button to silence the alarm for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. If the cause of the alarm is not resolved during this time, the alarm will recommence sounding. Storage during use. While the device is delivering therapy, there are several ways of storing the device. It can be stood in the upright position on a flat, hard surface. The device can be attached to an IV pole by releasing the knob enough to allow the IV pole to be located between the upper rubber pad and grip face, and also aligned with the lower rubber pad. Once the IV pole is correctly located, the knob must be carefully tightened to ensure the pads grip and hold the IV pole securely. The device can also be attached to the bed rails or foot of the patient's bed. This is achieved by pulling the 2 metal hooks from the recess on the back of the device to a 90-degree angle. This then allows the device to be placed over the bed rails or footboard.